Hi guys, welcome back to ASA Technical. Today I'm going to show you an amazing new feature in Windows that can fix almost any OS corruption or update issues in just a few clicks. If you have ever struggled with Windows updates falling or weird system errors, then this video is for you. Microsoft has introduced a new tool called Fix Problem with Windows Update. It's hidden in your system settings, but it's a lifesaver for fixing OS corruption or Windows update issues. Let me show you how it works. So let's get started. First, let's find it. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, go to System and then scroll down to Recovery. Now, under the Recovery section, you will see an option labeled Fix Problem with Windows Update. Just simply click on it. And make sure your PC is on and connected to the network and a power source. And this tool will walk you through the steps to repair any issues. So, what does the feature actually do? Well, it checks for corruption in your system file, scans for issues with Windows Update components, and applies necessary fixes automatically. Think of it as an upgraded version of tool like DISM or SFC, but without having to use complicated commands. Make sure your device is connected to the internet during the repair process so Windows can download any missing components. If a repair solution is available, it will attempt to fix system component corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. Your apps, documents and settings will be preserved. Once you start the tool, it runs a scan to detect issues with Windows Update components. If it finds anything wrong like corrupted files or missing updates, it will fix them for you. The process usually takes just a few minutes. After installation, it will let you know when it's time to restart your PC to complete the repair. Now, keep patience for the changes to take effect. And just like that, your system is back to normal. If the tool doesn't solve your issue, you can try using advanced tool like the DISM command or performing a repair installation of Windows. I will leave the links in the description for those tutorials. So that's how you use the new Fix Problem with Windows Update features to resolve OS corruption and update issues. It's simple, powerful and a must-know tool for every Windows user. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tech tips.